we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of FIGEBNY USB-C to HDMI adapter. That's include widely application. USB-C to HDMI adapter can transfer video from a laptop's tablet or smartphone to a monitor, TV, or projector for multi-screen display. Plug and play. Easy to use, no need to install drivers or software. Stream your favorite sports, games, movies, and TV shows from anywhere. Wide application. USB-C to HDMI adapter can transfer video from a laptop's tablet or smartphone to a monitor, TV, or projector. Compact design. Fashionable high-end design, metal shell, suitable size, using environmentally friendly materials, more secure and reliable. Convenient for you to carry with you. The length of cable is 188 mm. Ultra high resolution. Up to 4K, 3840 x 2160, 30 Hz, compatible with 2K, 75 Hz, 60 Hz, 1080p 120 Hz, 60 Hz, Full HD, 720p 120 Hz, 100 Hz, 60 Hz, and more. Audio and video. Synchronous transmission technology. When the video is transmitted, the sound will also be together. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.